Good morning. Second vlog on my camera. I started editing the vlog where I went to Guildford with Jazz and Amy, and I've realised the sound quality isn't as good as, it's not as good as this little camera here. I don't know why. Probably because this camera is probably meant for photography. Anyways, I'm vlogging today, going to Brighton. Hope you enjoy. I can't wait to be freezing cold on that beach. Oh my god, we're looking at all of Zoe's products, like the Christmas. 99p. What? Oh my god, I'm ready to swipe that up. All of these.
99. This was £16. Literally, this was £16.
Shut up. That's £5. Holly got me this. These mitts are so good.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
I thought it was
we swiped up this Zoella deal.
It sounded like you're gonna go, we like to drink with baby.
You know you're an alcoholic when that's what you think of.
That's kind of like him,
yeah, we swiped up those deals. There was literally 99p. 99p for 2 lip balms. Thank you.
That big box thing that I'm pretty sure was £60,
yeah,
wasn't it? It was 99.
Oh, so gonna go right back down. We went into Photomatic, you probably saw those stories.
We did.
And it was really cute. The guy in there is such a legend, always chatting. We were chatting about Zoe's advent calendars.
He didn't give me any freebies today, I just
Yeah, I know, I thought he would. To be fair, we were the first customers. He probably doesn't want to like waste their money. Oh, I see the sea.
Oh yeah, paper chase was there. I was starting to really doubt myself.
Mate, you need to, today's rain is tomorrow's whiskey. What? I'm confused. My arm is going to fall off. Mate, you need to vlog with this. Just hold it. It's so heavy. Oh, Ollie White merch. Okay, we are currently in the best place for lighting. Next to the i360, there's this pop like. And we've literally been having an actual photo shoot for about 10 minutes.
Full on photo shoot.
When we walked onto this, I was like, Amy, this is really good
white
lighting.
was beaming up. We're making the best lighting.
It is incredible.
It actually is.
Yeah, we're just gonna take it loads of pics. We have found such a random part of Brighton. Like, I literally have no idea where I am right now. Like, I fucking, there's a garage there.
It's so random, isn't it?
It's so weird. There's a church behind us. We literally turned it into a road and we were like, oh my god, there's shops down here. Like, Amy kind of knew that it was, but like, this is so weird. Anyways, just thought I'd update you. Oh, an old beetle. Snaz. Right, try and vlog, hold this up and like see how long you can do it for.
Is the tripod on, yeah?
Yeah, just hold the tripod and like,
is it
how heavy it is.
It is actually quite heavy. Hey,
we just sat here.
Sinead's camera's heavy, I'm just testing it out.
We're used to vlogging in an iPod and
literally. I actually got that thick bit.
Right, it's windy right now, so let's see what the audio is like. Where is the...
Mate, it's aching my arm already.
Yeah, exactly. Where is... I don't know where the microphone is. Where's the microphone?
Michael.
Oh, it's on the top.
He's Michael.
So when I record like this, it picks up the sound better than when I'm like this. Oh, that's
Cheeky.
oh, that's tricky.
I might take my head down to my hat.
Oh, okay.
You lovely little bubble hat.
A little bubble hat. Oh, hello there.
Hi.
There's someone in the sea.
It's quite true.
Are you ready for this drop? We're gonna walk out here and people are gonna be judging us hard.
Yeah. Well, people. There are no people.
Oi! club on Brighton here.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love wasn't made for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm a baby crazy, thought by me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much.
So I haven't not vlogged in a while, but I'm very cold. We sat and watched the sunset birds for a while, had a bit of a bop. Oh, boho gelato's down there. Oh,
Definitely, I don't want to think about
I
myself
know,
right
oh my
now.
god. Cannot explain how cold we are right now. Like, what are fingers? Amy just said, it feels like she's not got skin on her feet. Oh, shut up, look at Brighton.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get some food. We were gonna get a smash burger, but Amy looked at the price online. It's like £7 for a burger.
Can't be affording.
I'd rather go to Harry
I'd get a
Ramsden's.
McDonald's burger for like £2.
Literally. I just realised we're going all the way to Churchill Square, sitting there for a bit, come back, get Harry Ramsden's. Well, I'm gonna get Harry Ramsden's.
Rex.
Just gonna wait for it to get dark and then go home.
Oh,
It's been a very fab day, hasn't it?
it's been a very fab day.
Lots of vlogs.
First Brighton trip of the year.
Buzzy!
Lived up to expectations.
Okay, I'm gonna put this down now because I've not got the arm strength for this. When we were walking here, Amy was literally just saying how she was jealous because I could sleep all day tomorrow, and now it turns out she's not got work.
Work literally just rang me and asked if I want to sort my day. And I was like, yes, please.
Trying to get that free Wi-Fi. I'm so tired. Got that Mackie D's. Just ignore the fact that I've got a burger and chicken select. We've just been sat in McDonald's for...
That's potentially we should go. I'm guessing they shut at 6.
Oh wait, yeah. Oh, we should probably go. We've been sat in McDonald's for like an hour now. And we're getting our train in like half an hour. We've been looking through the pictures that we took to Insta, so that I don't have to sort them out later. So yeah, we're gonna go now to the train station. When you can't speak. Oh, I haven't filmed in a while, but oh, my back hurts. It always hurts after Brighton. But I'm home. Oh, and I'm very tired, as per usual. When am I not tired? This is a terrible angle. Yeah, I'm home. I've just been like sending all the pictures that me and Amy took to her. Make sure you go subscribe to Amy. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. The Insta game is upping. Oh, I'm so sad. I lost my ticket. Well, I didn't lose it, but like, usually I go through the barrier and I don't put it through. I like show them so that I can keep it for my scrapbook. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right, good. Bye.